Welcome. This is our fourth video on surface area and volume as our topic. Today we are going to be focusing on the volume of spheres. So yeah, as you can see from the screen, I have put up the formula for volume of the sphere, which is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. So now this is where we're dealing with radius, not squared, but radius cubed, right? And so a shorter way for you to write this, if you don't like words, it's V equals 4/3 times pi r cubed. Okay, please be careful that you may be able to make silly mistakes with this in terms of just assuming that it'll be radius squared rather than radius cubed. Okay, so please keep that in mind. So let's go to our first example. Okay, example number 1. Find the volume of a sphere of diameter 10 centimeters. So we've dealt with diameter before. So first we need to deal with that because our formula needs a radius, right? We said this before. Diameter is basically half. Sorry, radius is half of a diameter. So if our diameter is 10 centimeters, right, I need to divide 10 by 2, which has given me 5 centimeters, which I have drawn on the right here. Again, like I said, if I did not have this diagram that I've drawn prior, my first step for this question would be to draw a sphere, as well as then finding what the radius is from the diameter. Okay, that's my first 2 steps: drawing and labeling. Second, finding the diameter finding the radius from the diameter. Now, let's start writing the formula of a sphere, which is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Okay, be careful with this one. 4/3 times pi times subbing r, which is 5 to the power of 3. Put that all into your calculator and you should get 523.6 centimeter cubed. Again, volume, not surface area. All right, it should be in centimeters cubed, meters cubed, kilometers cubed. Okay, I'm going to put in here that it's going to be rounded off to 1 decimal place because the question did not ask me whether or not it's going to be in 2, in 1 decimal place, in 2 decimal place, or in 3, whatever. Okay, so that is my first question. My second question is, the volume of a sphere is 140 centimeter cubed. Find the radius. Now, again, we're going to go in reverse. We have been given the volume of the sphere as 140 centimeter cubed. We need to find the radius. Okay, so let's start. Write your formula first. This is how you're going to remember every single formula. Write it down first. Okay, sub in what is my volume, which is 140 equals to 4/3 times pi times r cubed. All right, again, easier way for me to write the right hand side is basically 140 4 pi r cubed over 3. Right, first things first, I need to get rid of the 3. Need to multiply it. Right, this cancels out. What I get is 420 equals to 4 pi r cubed. Now, how do I get rid of the 4 pi? You need to divide it. Right, that's the opposite of multiplication. I'll let this load for a bit. And then these will cancel out. What you would be left with is r cubed equals to 420 over 4 pi. Then how to get rid of a cube? The opposite is a cube root, right? There should be a 3 at the front here to identify that it's a cube root. 420 over 4 pi. Put that into your calculator and you should get 3.2 centimeter rounded to 1 decimal place. That is my radius. So this will be a very short video. So that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.